Look, in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make $300 driving Uber in a single day. You're going to watch me do it in less than 9 trips. You're watching The Art of Cherry Picking, episode 22. It is 5:40 in the morning. I'm going to turn the app on. I'm thinking about going to Diamond Bar as my first choice, which is to the left, going west. And my backup is going to be going north to Claremont. But right when I turned on the app, Uber gave me $17 and I said, you know what? I'll take it to go to Anaheim, because once I end up in Anaheim, there is a very good chance I can cherry pick from Disneyland. Actually, I already know because I already drove this day. Trust me, Disneyland is where I pick up the next big cherry. I picked them up from somewhere here in Chino. And then we took the 71 and we took the 91, and then I took an exit somewhere around here and I dropped them off right there. So I got paid $17 to get into Anaheim. I still have 2 hours before I get to John Wayne Airport at 6:30 in the morning. All right, let's study this. 22 miles is fine. It brought me to Anaheim. $17 is fine. 42 is bad. This should have at least... the money should have been more. And tip, nah. This guy is struggling. He doesn't have a car. He doesn't have to tip me. If he does, I'll take it. But it's all good. He said he paid 34, so Uber charged him 36. $2 more than what he said. And out of 36, look, the way you know he's not a tipper is service fee is low, $386. Commercial auto insurance is high. So right there is $17 gone to Uber. Uber took 17, we got 17. But unfortunately, I have to turn on UberX, otherwise this stupid app doesn't give us anything. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm actually in a busy area. Placentia, Yorba Linda. Somebody needs a ride out here for me to move. So I'm just gonna go to the local gas station, put gas in. But no, we're not moving for $4. So I'm also studying the map right now. I wanna know what time the flights are coming in. 26 out of 30. I already said no. 26 out of 30, comfort. These are all low, but normally flights don't get in till like around 8 o'clock. So I don't know what these people are doing there. Maybe there's some flights that come in that are not on this, but basically if I can get there around 8 o'clock, which is about an hour and 20 minutes, I'll be good. But before we get there, I gotta put some gas in my car. Okay, 7 in the morning. I'm 15 minutes, 7 miles from Disneyland, so we're gonna go park there and see if we can cherry pick a ride to the airport. $15, 2.9 miles. No, I'm not going backwards. Come on, man, it's prime time. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, or 7:09 to be exact. No. That's not 15 to 20 bucks. Sorry. 7:22 in the morning. Got around 5 offers, less than $5, including deliveries like this. Starbucks, Cerritos, Anaheim. No, I deserve 15 to 20 bucks. Goodbye. All right, I'm at Disneyland. It's not offering me anything, so normally I just drive down Harbor and then cut across and come here. And normally I get lucky right around here, around Fontana or Fountain Valley. Yeah, that's not happening, dude, for $4.75. Yeah, again, by Disneyland too, nothing but $4, $5. This is just like bullshit, dude. That means there's too many drivers here. So I'm gonna leave, and in me leaving, maybe he'll give me something. There you go. Absolutely, we'll take that. Where's the pickup? I gotta go Harbor left. Okay. Now the customer's in my car and a $77 ride popped up. I had to just double check, and I'm like, what, 27 minutes, 18 miles away? But that $77 was worth it, so I took it. 36 miles is good, $37 is good. It took a little bit over an hour. Tip, it depends. They are from Mexico. Let's see how much they paid. They paid $69. And out of 69, the service fee is low. They probably don't tip. Auto insurance is 30. We got 37. All right, this is the rematch I got. It's gonna take 27 minutes to pick them up, so I gotta get out of here. Pickup is 9:20. Yeah, I'll barely get there, so I gotta go. Uber's pulling me 18 miles in 22 minutes. But you know what? I did it because the money is decent. $77. I'll move 18 miles without anybody in my car. We're gonna drop off John. This is 77 bucks coming in. We'll double check LAX. Queue is low. That means the chance for a rematch is there. Now we just chill and relax. I gotta pee though. 77, that's in 3 trips. So now if it rematches me, I don't have to be picky. I can go wait at the queue and still get lined up. So 132 in 3 trips. That's very good for a Monday. Let me show you the last 2 rides, how we got here. Okay, first passenger, because I did back to back, was from Anaheim near Disneyland. I took the 5 all the way to Universal Studios. Then from Universal Studios, I went all the way to Pasadena, picked up the next customer, and from Pasadena we came down the 110 and then came here. That's how we did these 2 passengers. Alright, I guess I'm not getting rematched, but you know what? 32 is good, but you can add another 20, no, you can add another 18 to it, so it's actually 50 miles, because I had to drive 18 miles to pick up this customer. 1 hour is good, but you can add another 20 minutes, because it took me 20 minutes, so it's an hour and a half. 77 is great. If they give me a tip, it would be awesome. Let's see what they paid. Oh yeah, so it's a 50-50 split. Uber charged them $153 because of the reservation. Oh yeah, look at that, they're tippers. Look, $37 service fee, $33 auto insurance. So that's what, 60, 70, $74 went to Uber. We got 77. They're possible tippers, absolutely. Unfortunately, I didn't get rematched because Uber X was off. Now I turned it on. Sometimes they'll still try to rematch me. It's weird. If you have one of the preferences off, it doesn't give you priority. Doesn't make any sense. It's showing 89 in Uber X queue right here. And if you look over here, Uber X is full. So there's something off. We'll find out when we get there. But XL showing 31 out of 35. That means it's just not a lot of people. Yeah, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock is prime time to cherry pick. Okay, almost at LAX. Unfortunately, it's backed up. So I think X and Comfort probably are full. So the app was off earlier. I just got here. And no, I was wrong. The queue is okay. There was a guy just checking all the badges, so should be able to cherry pick. Yeah, it's blowing up right now, but we're not gonna do $15. We're not gonna do 6. We're not gonna do 8. We're just gonna chill, get something around 35 bucks. Oh, good. It's surging over there. That's where the festival was. And I just want to check Long Beach. See if that's the way. Yeah, Long Beach is short too. If I go from here to Long Beach, I'm good till around 12 o'clock. And even 2 o'clock. 1 o'clock it slows down, but no, Long Beach is good. Alright, we're just gonna chill and wait here. Alright, it's blowing up. Santa Monica, no. Santa Monica, no. El Segundo, no, not enough money. Just waiting. Anything to Long Beach or Orange County, I'll take it. Or if it's around 35 bucks, I'll take it. Okay, good. Santa Fe Springs, Anaheim. We'll take the Anaheim one. Even though it's Uber X, it's okay because it puts me close to Disneyland or puts me close to John Wayne Airport. And it's the most amount of money. It's close to 30 bucks. I didn't get it. Now we'll take Santa Fe Springs. Because 20 bucks to Santa Fe Springs, I believe, is still going towards John Wayne Airport. 19 bucks is enough to move. Perfect. Yeah, Pioneer. Yeah, I'll be in Orange County, going against traffic. He's meeting his business partner. Drop him off. What's that one on the top left? I don't think it's a tip. Oh, he's looking at his app. Who knows? Maybe he'll give me a tip. Sometimes they look at the app right away, you get a tip. Alright, 19 bucks. We're at 153. Ah, shut up. 151. Look at this bullshit. Show your whole face. I did show my whole face. Your stupid app doesn't see my whole face. Okay. Let's make sure Uber X is off. Oh shit, it's on. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I'm right here in Santa Fe Springs. Picked him up from LAX, took the 105, a little bit of 605. Alright, 21 miles is good, $19 is good, almost $1 a mile. 28 minutes is great. That means we did around $38 an hour. I haven't gotten any tips today, but we can't control that. 49 minus 2 for promotion. He paid around $47. Out of 47, service fee is low, not a tipper. Auto insurance is high. So that's what, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So $27 with the $4 airport fee. We got 19. There is a little bit of money there for a tip. But the $2.99 membership, or $2.99, gets you into my YouTube community where I post videos where you can access the rest of this video. And if you do the $9.99 membership, well, you get to join my WhatsApp group and 12 of us veteran drivers who will respond to any question you have probably within the hour. Have a blessed day. Join now and unlock your hidden potential. So, what are you waiting for? Please click the first link in the description and join our membership group.